Hey, what's going on, guys? Just wanted to share a little collection update with you. Along with knives, one thing I collect is Zippo lighters, and I don't think I've ever put a video up on it, so this is it. Got one of these cases for my Zippos. I keep it locked just because my daughter in the house and stuff. So this is a fake Pelican case, same deal, just not that brand, and has the same pick and pluck foam in there, and yeah, so I got my wicks and flints here, keep my fluid right there, and then I'm just gonna rip through these as quick as I can. This is a 1941 replica. This is the Black Crackle. And then another 1941 replica, Black Ice. 1941 replica, this is the Brushed Finish Brass. Has a brass insert. This is the 1937 replica, I think, or 35, can't remember. 35 replica. Really cool, one of my favorites. Also one of my favorites, this is the Solid Copper from 2003. It's got a nice patina going on. Been carrying this for the last couple weeks. And this is the armor case, also brass insert. It's 1.5 times thicker. Tell the difference in the sound. This is the solid brass. This is the antique brass finish. This was a gift from Fernando, the Lionhearted. This is the Gold Dust Zippo from 2004. Pretty sweet gift. I'm going to start carrying this one. And last ditch effort, matte black. Matte black. You can pause and read that if you want. It's from Full Metal Jacket, but Zippo instead of your rifle. This is the ebony, shiny black chrome. Got the red matte, the blue matte, the matte orange, matte white, matte black. This one is called Lemon Lime Matte. Pretty cool. This was 2007. Got the OD green. And this is a pipe lighter. Pretty cool insert. Just for lighting the pipe, obviously. Chrome arch finish. How about a nice cup of Shut the Hell Up? This is a Celtic Cross. And one of the slimline ones. I've had this forever. Actually bought this new in 2003. Recently found it in my pile of junk downstairs. Cool to have in the collection. Never use it. Sucks. But, yep, that's it. Those are my Zippos. Thanks for watching. Peace.